Upon his return to Chicago, Swami Vivekananda found himself without a place to stay. He spotted empty packing crates near the railway station and decided to settle into one of those crates for the night. Enduring the cold and hunger, he spent the entire night inside those crates. The next morning, Swami Vivekananda emerged from the crate hungrier than ever. Professor John Wright of the Harvard University had met Swamiji in Boston and was deeply impressed by his brilliance, remarking that Swamiji was more learned than all their professors combined. He gave Swami Vivekananda a reference letter for a contact in Chicago, but unfortunately, Vivekananda lost the office address. Despite relentless searching, he couldn't find the office. Weakened and hungry, he even tried begging for food from houses, only to be turned away. Exhausted, he sat down on a pavement. Just then, Mrs. Hale, a kind lady from across the road, noticed him and approached. She even invited him in, providing food and a hot drink. During their conversation, Swami Vivekananda mentioned losing the address of the Parliament of World Religions, where he was a delegate. Mrs. Hale promised to help him locate the office, embodying the kindness that had come to his aid.